Here's our food. Ayan ang cake ni Auntie. And the birthday celebrant. Kaway-kaway. It's my birthday for today's video. Ayan na ang handa ng for the birthday celebration. Ang pa-food, parang healthy, yummy. Wow! Halakadong expert. Ayan na. Make a wish. Happy 49th birthday. Yay! Congratulations! Ayun na, pinain na po ang cake ng my birthday. Ang pakita natin.